Now this is possibly the quickest Photoshop tip I've shared to date. So a few days ago I got this email. Hi Glyn, I've installed Photoshop on a new PC but zoom in and out doesn't work as it used to be. Before, when I zoomed in or out, the photo was always in the centre of my screen. Now when I zoom in or out, the photo goes to the left, right or up or down. Do you know how I can get this back so it stays centred on my screen? Now if you don't want Photoshop to behave like this, simply go to the Photoshop menu and Settings. Then go to the Tools section and in the Options look for Over Scroll and take the tick out of the checkbox and click OK. Now when you zoom in and out, the image does so from the centre of the workspace. And when you haven't zoomed in a long way, you can't drag the image around using the Move tool. It remains in the centre. And that is all I have for this video, so like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.